Hey guys, it's Christian, and today I'm going to open up something valuable. But welcome to Pokiview. I'm also known as Xtianmitra, and today we're opening up this 10 of 25 years of Pokemon. People are like, no, you shouldn't open it, and this and this and that, and it's worth God knows what. Which I'm pretty sure it is, I'm pretty sure it is. But I just want to open it and see what's inside. So we get a big Pokemon coin, the 25th anniversary Pokemon coin logo. And then we get a Mimikyu, a Hydreigon, and a light Toxtricity, right? Oh, let's try not to damage them. Yeah. That's how you damage cards, I guess. I don't know. This is what not to do, children, to your cards. Okay. So I'm gonna put them in the sleeve so I can see the damn sleeve. Okay. And these three cards have the 25th anniversary logo. Again, people are like, Christian, why did you open it? Because I think it was time. It was time. Let's see. Oh, so on the champion card packs, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 4 additional game cards. So 4, 6. I don't know. The thing is that there's 4 of them in there, which I think it's a steal. Like, I think they jacked me. There is a code card. I'm not gonna give it to you. You already know that. There's one Vivid Voltage and 1 Battle Style. And then there's a sticker of the tails. More stickers. More stickers. Another sticker. Shit. Oh, and then a notepad. A little book thingy to put your cards. Let's see, what was this about? Oh, and it explains like the cards and whatever. Okay. And then of course you get the 10. Okay. And then you get the 3 cards, the 3 promo cards. Okay, so we're gonna open up the first Champions card. Ooh. Let's make sure that there isn't a code. Yeah, there is a code in here. I'm not giving it to you. Okay. So we get a Lugia. Okay. We get a Rashiram. We get a Palkia. And then we get a Pikachu. So I'm assuming that maybe I pulled one of the good ones. So I'm gonna get some top loaders because I'm not too sure. But he's going on a top loader because I really don't know. I don't know the price of these. I don't know if they're worth anything. I might just be full of poop thinking I have a good card. I should be more informed, right? I should be more informed. But I'm not. I'm sorry, guys. Y'all probably like, this douche doesn't even know what he has, what he got. It looks, that Pikachu looks like it's a good card. Like it really does, but I really don't know. Should we Google it, guys? Should I Google to see if I got a good card? Believe it or not, I just got the soft sleeves and the top loaders in yesterday and today. So, I've always loved Lugia. It's been one of my favorite Pokemon. I think came out in 2000 or near the 2000, 2001, 2002. But it was a movie. Loved it. And yeah. Let's see. Wait. But yeah. Let's see. What I'm actually doing right now, guys, is... Oh, I'm trying to find my mouse. Oh, you know what? It's probably not even that. Okay, I'm trying to find out if what the card I got is worth anything, but meanwhile I'm doing that, I'm trying to top load these cards. I'm sorry if this video is gonna be a long one. I'm doing real time here. I'm trying to preserve these bad boys because I don't really know. I don't know, and I really want to know if I got a good card or not. I wish I had help. I wish I had like somebody here to look up this information for me, but ain't no one here to help me. It's just moi. Let's see. Champions. So we opened up one. And I promise you, people are like when people heard that I was gonna open up this pack, people were like, what are you doing? Why are you gonna open it? You should let it Let's see. Okay, so apparently on eBay, it's like a $9 card, I guess. Let's see. It's a $10 card. Okay, cool. At least I know I didn't open up something like super expensive. Let's look up. But yeah, so it's like a $10 card. Okay. And oh sure, well, the Pokemon Champions Lugia card. So this card can range from $1 to $2. So okay. At least I know something. I'm like, man, really? So I guess. But I'm happy I got them, and I got my Pokia okay. So this card on eBay is like $2. Yep. And then rush around. Oh, okay. So what this is saying on eBay, I mean, I do see some lower valued ones, but it says that on eBay, this card is $45. I mean, I don't know. It's saying online, but I do see some for $1, for 25 cents. So I don't know why they're charging $45 for this card. But okay, it can be $2 to $45. Yeah, I mean, okay, so we can continue on. I don't know what would be an expensive card for this pack. I really don't know. Okay, I got Dalgia. Look at this Charizard. Oh, I love him. So, and Vulana. But again, you know how some people be like, well, I have that one too. And blah, blah, blah. So I don't know. This one's a cool, like, but again, I don't really know what they're valued, or I don't know, but we'll go and check in a minute. Trying to be very careful on how I put this. You see, thank God I ordered these and I can take care of it. Let's see. Oh, wow. Whoa. Really? So Amazon, wow. So Amazon selling this card for $119. eBay is selling it for $100. I don't know how this is $10,000, but okay, cool. Okay. We'll see. I might go and get this valued, or whatever they call it. Okay, look at that. Oh, shoot. If y'all interested in it and y'all want to pay $10,000, let me know, because I sure can use a car. I sure can use a car. I need a new car, y'all. I need a new car. So, if y'all want to hook up a brother, I will take that new card. There's Dalgia. And I have the Funko for this one. So, I prefer and I'm sorry, I don't want to make this video like so long, you know. So this can range from $1 to like $20. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's open up. I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. There was 6 or 7 packs. So let's see. Let's see. Again, I'm keeping my code. And another Reshiram. A Kyogre. Oh, I'm supposed to show ya. A Kyogre. A Groudon. Oh, there's another one. Okay, look at it. Bum, 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 bum. Pew, pew. So, a surfing Pikachu. Like, it's so cute. This one's cute. Okay, he deserves a top loader. I don't know. Again, I don't know. It's cute. Okay. Guys, if you are interested in the cards, let me know. I'll sell them to you. But I will sell them to whatever they're valued. So, you know, I need money. And I've been saving these cards for a while. Like, I've been having them for a while, guys. I just never got a chance to open them. So, now that I do, you know, and I don't know, like, I'm still trying to understand why people, again, I enjoy opening Pokemon cards. I enjoy the artwork. I enjoy, they're part of my childhood. I enjoy the fact that it's just nostalgic. Like, I remember these. I remember sitting down at home, you know, getting my cereal, because you had to wake up super early, y'all. Like, super early to watch Pokemon. And so I remember doing that, and not trying to give you a sob story or anything, but my parents got divorced in the 90s, and I really didn't have, like, a lot of friends. So Pokemon was like my to-go friend, I guess. And every Saturday in WB, I would wake up and watch the cartoon, and that was my thing to do. That was a thing I would look for throughout my week. And again, I didn't have friends. I had to be very careful who I hanged around and who I spoke to, and you know, because my mom would leave us at home, and so while she worked, so I had to just be very careful. So, you know, it brings back a lot of memories, good and bad, but mostly good. Okay. Let's see, my card. Okay, so let's see. So another Reshiram. Mew! Look at Mew! And there's a Zekrom. But look at Mew, is so cute! Mew was one of the first legendaries I fell in love with. I don't even know where to begin with Mew, because A lot of people in the beginning didn't understand Mew. But when I saw Mew, I automatically fell in love with it because it was unique. And I guess I related to it because in the beginning, no one liked it. And as time went by, people were like, oh, Mew's my favorite Pokemon now. Just like Yu-Gi-Oh! When I saw Exodia, that's one of my favorite Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards. I was going to say Pokemon. But, yeah. I like these champion cards. Like, they give you a lot of foil, a lot of little cute cards. Now, again, the only reason I'm putting them on top loaders is because I want to protect them. I pray and hope that one of them is worth a good amount of money so I can buy me a car, y'all. Y'all can donate to me if y'all want to, because I'm trying to buy me a car and pay my bills. I've just been saving these for a while, so, but I'm telling you, I have friends that are freaking out right now because I decided to open these. And I'm like, I want to have fun. Let me open them. Man, they were tripping. They were like, I can't believe you opened them. And blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, chill. Chill. And apparently I could have sold it. I could have sold it for like good money. So Amazon sells it for like 70 to 80 bucks. I only spent like 30 on it or something like that. I mean, I don't know. But eBay selling it for like 100 bucks. I don't know. Okay. I got 2 more, y'all. Ooh, this is gonna be a long video. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, get my code. Take them. Okay. Another. Ship them. Oh, look it. I got another one. And this is oh, I love what's up, Hal? What you doing? Oh. Anyway. Okay. So I got 2 of them. Took up 2 of these Pikachus. Let's see. Again, I apologize for like the long video. So that flying Pikachu card, Amazon is $3-4. The $4 TCG player. Oh no, well that's not that. It can range from $4 to $1 to $2. So it's not like something like, oh my gosh, like, oh I got like a, yeah. The Ho-Oh, what you call me? From $1 to like from $1 to $5, so nothing special, you know, but they're special to me. They're special to me. So I think the one that might be like a little valuable would be that Charizard. And you see, believe it or not, guys, I tried to sell and no one wanted to buy it, right? And then I tried trading it, but no one wanted to trade it with me. Like, they didn't want to trade with me about this box, so this lunch box. So I was like, well, I gotta open them. There's the last pack. So let's see. This is a trainer. Here comes Team Rocket. Very cute. Let's see. So it's about $1, $2. It can range to $100 and something. I mean, it just, if it wasn't Chinese or whatever. But $10, $1. So I guess it's just whoever wants to buy it. But I think I'm gonna keep this one. This is very what's the word, like nostalgic or nostalgic. So it's okay. It's okay. The important thing is that I got some. Maybe they'll be worth something later. Maybe, I mean, I might just like put them up somewhere and just let them, like they say, grow in value. I mean, I don't know if they, I mean, I really, the way the Pokemon situation's going, y'all, I don't really know if anything's valuable or not. And I have some Pokemon cards that I've had since I was a kid, and I've taken some to just see what people would think or whatever, and they're like, oh, they're like old, and like, look, like people are so picky about, and I get it, you know. I was a kid, I played with them, so I wasn't like trying to take care of them like that. So I don't know, but I have a whole bunch. Let me show you all those binders up there. From there, like from there all the way to like right there, they're all Pokemon cards. And that's not including those boxes right there. Those are extra cards that I have. So, and not including what I have around me. And then you see all of those. You see that one? I mean, damn, I have a lot of those that I have to open and make videos. But I haven't had an opportunity. I've just been so busy with work. So I'll be opening up some pretty old cards, you know, from the early 2000s to, I have some, what do you call them? I forgot what they're calling them. But they're like booster packs, boxes, I don't know. But they're from like the early 90s, and I'm gonna open some of those. People are like, you're crazy, you should. But you know what? I'm tired. I'm not a, again, yes, I'm a collector, but I'm not a, what do they call them? Scalpers? Right? I'm not a scalper. Or I'm doing this for fun, like, chill. Some of y'all losers be like way too much for me. Way too much for me. Okay, let's open up this Battle Styles. I guess they didn't want to open the first time. Let's open up the second time. Ooh, this video's already going to 90 minutes. That's long, yo. That's long. I usually make my videos like at least 20 minutes, maybe. So literally this one was the only foil card I got from this pack. It's crazy. Okay. And then Vivid Voltage. Okay. That's one. Oh, was there any? Two. Cool. So that's literally it for this Champions 25th anniversary box. I mean, you guys got to see what I got. And then literally from that one, from those two normal packs, I guess, or whatever you want to call them, I only got 3 foils, and I don't even think they're like good, but yeah. But I think if I were to total everything, like all of these, ooh, these are all of the top loaders I got for off of this box. Wait. Ooh. And then the last one. So it's about 27. 27. Wow. So that's a lot of top loaders. So that's what I got. I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and follow. You guys be tripping sometimes. Y'all don't be following me. I don't know why. Maybe some of y'all get booty tight because I don't give you my codes. It's not gonna happen, guys. I actually use my code, so but yeah, if you get a chance, please follow, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and follow and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night or morning. Bye bye.